Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to clean or fix your catalytic converters. This video applies to any vehicle, and if you guys are having issue passing your smog or getting the P0420 or 430 codes, please check out this video. It might just save you a whole lot of money and also make your vehicle run perfectly. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure you only have 1/3 of your fuel tank full. Next, what we're going to do is use these two things. Make sure your vehicle is off, and then you're going to stick this long nose funnel down your gas tank, and then we're going to add this whole container of lacquer thinner. So what this lacquer thinner is going to do is basically clean all the gunk and all the deposits in your catalytic converter and the exhaust system. And this is a lot more stronger and concentrated compared to using a fuel cleaner that you would get from your auto store or from your gas station. And now what we're going to do after pouring this lacquer thinner is go on a drive. And what you want to do is drive around for about 30 to 45 minutes on the freeway, around 70 miles an hour. Just keep your RPMs between 2200 to 2500 RPM. So drive it as you normally would on the freeway. And after the drive, you can plug in your scanner and check. On my vehicle, the catalytic converter and all the other smog monitors are ready, and my smog is ready to pass, and the check engine light is cleared. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I'd really appreciate you guys hitting the like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. MrCarMAN, thank you.